In collaboration with TRN Labs, a prominent blockchain and financial services provider, Ripple is preparing to host its first policy summit in Thailand. Are we about to see another golden cross after 3 years? How awesome is it to have a massive $1.05 billion XRP balance sheet as well? Finally, why did the SEC unlawfully expand the Howey test? Follow me through to. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, watch this new video as soon as possible. The event, created in collaboration with TN Labs, was a representation of Ripple's efforts to expand its position in the Southeast Asian market, according to you. Brooks and Whistle are ecstatic about the occurrence. XRP is displaying indicators of a bright future, according to Ripple's Senior Vice President of Worldwide Customer Success and Managing Director of Asia Pacific, Middle East, and North Africa, despite the present fall. According to CoinKid's study, XRP, a well-known cryptocurrency, is about to form a golden cross. Using data from past tendencies, Chartist and analyst from the United Kingdom predicts a 720% spike after a 3-year wait. Investors and supporters alike are encouraged by this exciting revelation, since it creates the prospect of a big price increase. A golden cross on a price chart suggests a favorable trend. When studying XRP's past performance, traders and analysts may take the crossing of a shorter-term moving average, such as the 10-day exponential moving average, over a longer-term moving average, such as the 20-day EMA, as a hint that a major upward price movement is likely. Earlier golden crosses had a big impact on its pricing. These claims are corroborated by CoinKid's observation that in 2017, XRP had a 10 and 20-day EMA golden cross, resulting in a significant increase, most notably in March 2017 on the monthly chart for XRP. Displaying a golden cross, XRP soared after the occurrence, climbing from $0.05 in March 2017 to a peak of $3.30 in January 2018, representing a hop 59.65% growth in less than a year. According to CoinKid, the last time a golden cross like this emerged in 2020, the second golden cross ignited another surge and a 720% increase. Increasing research shows that a golden cross did appear in November 2020. This golden remarkably spurred another price spike on the XRP monthly chart. The value of XRP increased from $0.23 in November 2020 to a high of $1.90 in April 2021. This was a 720% rise in just 6 months. This past example reinforces the current analysis and raises forecasts of a future price increase based on the monthly chart. XRP is almost about to create another golden cross. CoinKid predicts a more than 720% increase if XRP completes the golden cross, which could propel a digital asset to new all-time highs. The expert recommends a conservative minimum. If XRP hits its previous high, the target is $9, while the actual is $6. In the meanwhile, the goal has yet to be determined. XRP has continued to trade below the symbolic $0.50 price level that the assets hoped to reclaim with its first intraday decline in July, but the price zone was shattered and XRP was trading at $0.48 yesterday, up 0 points and 32% in the day. The day before, John Deaton, an attorney and managing partner of the Deaton law firm, commented on a cryptocurrency exchange. With headquarters in New York and recently provided proof of reserves, it's intriguing to note that Deaton is more concerned with keeping XRP's balance sheet intact. Dr. Martin Heisbeck, the head of research at Uphold, revealed Wednesday that the exchange had an astounding $1.71 billion. The value of the assets placed in reserve is also subject to a $1.69 billion liability. X above P, interestingly, represents $1.5 billion in total assets and has a $1.5 billion commitment. Attorney Deaton responded to the news by saying, "It upholds the XRP balance sheet, highlighting why the exchange has continued to be a key supporter of the XRP community, particularly after the launch of the XRP token." The SEC sued Ripple in December 2020 and upheld its support for XRP. When the majority of big cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase and Kraken, quit trading XRP, Uphold continued to support it. According to a survey, it never delisted XRP as reported in April. While the majority of people were concerned that Uphold would face SEC fines for encouraging XRP secondary market trading, the business showed evidence that it had more than 2 billion XRP in reserve, and it was stated that the coin satisfies the exchange's standards for listing. Uphold has revealed two intriguing services. Uphold announced a customizable over-the-counter trading platform for XRP and other cryptocurrencies to XRP supporters last month, as previously reported. Attorney Deaton has joined together with Uphold and XRPL-based non-custodial wallets to help users can buy XRP using debit and credit cards. Meanwhile, he believes that Upholding made a sound financial decision by continuing to support XRP. Trading Deacon anticipates that a significant increase will occur between January 2021 and January 2023. XRP will make up a percentage of the retained trading costs. Remember that in January 2021, the majority of US-based crypto exchanges, including Coinbase, stopped servicing XRP investors, forcing them to use a well-known centralized exchange to buy and sell the coin. Deaton John. A pro-XRP lawyer agrees with Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Grewal that the SEC is violating the law. After reading the Nebraska verdict by the Supreme Court's major question, Grewal remarked in a tweet yesterday that the SEC's interpretation of investment contracts is unconstitutional. The comment was made by Dr. Grewal. It is worth noting that the community's reaction to Grewal's words was diverse. Attorney Deaton, on the other hand, believes the accusation made by Coinbase's top legal officer is true. The Securities and Exchange Commission illegally expanded the Howey test. According to the pro-XRP lawyer, notably, lawyer Deaton provided proof that the SEC's interpretation of investment contracts is unconstitutional, according to Deaton and the SEC. Did not have a restriction barring its workers from having cryptocurrencies before 2018. This is due to the regulator's concern about new assets, according to Deaton, who also stated that senior commission officials were aware of a regulatory void when Heinemann was preparing his statement on cryptocurrencies in 2018. He went on to say that these officials were skeptical of the commission's ability to oversee the Bitcoin industry. Third, the pro-XRP attorney cited the annual FSO report produced in 2019 as additional evidence for his position, noting that XRP and BTC were referenced as virtual currencies in a paper signed by officials like Jerome Powell and Jay Clayton in early 2021. During his confirmation, SEC Chair Gary Gensler acknowledged the regulatory vacuum over how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Deaton's hearing, according to Gensler, there is already a rule for Bitcoin enterprises because these assets are free from SEC and CFTC inspection. Deaton went on to say that no case in American history has determined the existence of an investment contract between the promoter or issuer of an asset and the buyer when the two parties had no knowledge or interaction. Similarly, the attorney underlined that there was no example in the United States demonstrating that a secondary asset sale employed in an investment contract transaction may also qualify as a security. He also alluded to the Supreme Court's findings in the West Virginia, EPA, and Nebraska instances. Scott's. Notably, both verdicts rejected several agencies' abuse of authority. Deaton stated that the SEC's regulatory competence in the Bitcoin market is likewise constrained. According to Deaton, the recently proposed law finally puts President Joe Biden's executive action in favor of the CFTC over the SEC. Gensler and the SEC are breaking the law, according to Paul Grewal. According to Deaton, the claim is not overblown. So this brings the video to a close. If you enjoy the video, be sure to like it. Remember to click the notification bell. Also, please subscribe. I believe that sharing this video with as many people as possible helps the YouTube algorithm. Involving as many individuals as possible will also be beneficial. Enlighten others in the same manner that you have been enlightened. Let's spread the word about these guys. Don't miss any of our things if you are a serious Bitcoin enthusiast. When we meet, we'll talk about the most recent news that affects our community as a whole tomorrow.